Welcome back to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're exploring 15 stunning indoor flowers that can brighten your home and lift your spirits. Let's dive in. Indoor flowers not only add beauty to your space, but also improve air quality and create a cheerful atmosphere. Here are 15 fabulous options to consider for your home. First up, the peace lily. Known for its elegant white blooms, this flower thrives in low light and is perfect for beginners. Plus, it helps purify the air. Next, we have the African violet. With its soft, fuzzy leaves and vibrant purple flowers, it's a lovely addition to any windowsill. They prefer bright, indirect light. Orchids are exotic beauties that can bloom for months. They come in many varieties and colors, adding a touch of elegance to your decor. Just ensure they get enough humidity. At number 4, we have the Bromeliad. These tropical plants are known for their striking colors and unique shapes. They thrive in bright light and can bloom for several months. The Gerbera Daisy is a cheerful flower that adds a pop of color to any room. They thrive in bright light and need regular watering to keep their blooms vibrant. Kalanchoe is a succulent with beautiful clusters of tiny flowers. It's low maintenance and thrives in bright light, making it a great choice for busy plant lovers. The poinsettia is a classic holiday flower, known for its bright red and green foliage. With the right care, it can bloom beautifully throughout the winter months. Anthuriums, with their shiny, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant spathes, make a bold statement. They thrive in bright, indirect light and can bloom year-round. Peonies are beloved for their lush blooms and sweet fragrance. While they're typically outdoor flowers, they can thrive indoors with enough light and care. The Hoya, or wax plant, is known for its waxy leaves and clusters of fragrant flowers. It's a hardy plant that loves bright, indirect light and requires minimal watering. While primarily known for its foliage, the spider plant produces small white flowers that can add charm to your home. It's incredibly easy to care for and great for beginners. The Christmas cactus is another holiday favorite. It blooms in winter, showcasing vibrant pink or red flowers. Place it in bright, indirect light for the best blooms. Calendula is a type of Kalanchoe, known for its double blooms. These beauties are low maintenance and perfect for adding color to your indoor garden. Zinnias are cheerful flowers that can thrive indoors as long as they get enough sunlight. They come in a variety of colors and are sure to brighten your day. Finally, the Maranta, or prayer plant, features stunning leaves with unique patterns. While not a traditional flowering plant, it can produce small, delicate flowers and loves humidity. And there you have it! 15 beautiful indoor flowers to brighten your home and uplift your spirits. Which ones are you excited to add to your space? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more gardening tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching.